Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Online Plant Store, and the abstract of the project is the Online Plant Web Application Services Department strives to provide solution to develop and transfer easy and efficient way in the digital age and to help reduces the human pressure and time. To help support shop collections, the digital initiatives and external partner institution digital projects. It provides service that include the digitalization of analog objects, metadata management, digital preservations and discovery and access of digital collections. Plant Shop Management System is a web application written for all operating system designed to help users maintain the and organize shop virtually. It features a familiar and well thought and attractive user interface combined with strong searching, insertion and reporting capabilities. Online plant store is considered the fast developing plants product also stored in website. It is also needed less manpower to handle the purchase the plants product on directly. Almost all people using online platform to purchase their plants product system since it reduces customers times in purchasing. The main goal of this online plant store is to effectively evolve with the customer thoroughly through a totally automated system that not only reduces the required time but also obtain fast and accurate result. And the flow diagram of the project is in this process is consists of two set of modules. One is admin module and another one is user module. From the admin module, admin can log in into the system and he or she can manage the shop, manage product means our manage the plant and orders and manage customer and manage page setting and manage website setting. Then user can register and then log in into our system, then he or she can purchase the plant. I'm going to run the project in XAMPP control panel by using Apache server through my SQL server. So in here I'm going to enter into my site. So my project name is plant. So this is the home page for the plant store web application. So we already seen that it consists of two set of module. One is admin module and another one is a user module. So this is the user interface. So in here user or visitor can check the product. So if the user or visitor want to purchase the plant means they can directly register and log in into the system. So I already registered into the system, so I can directly log in into our system. So the username is email ID is ram@gmail.com and password is 12345. So I go successfully log into our system. So these are all the previous record for our user. So in here I'm going to purchase the product. So in this product is categorized as a two set of types. One is indoor plant and another one is outdoor plant. So I'm going to check the outdoor plant. So in here I'm going to purchase the outdoor plant. So add to cart. So in that you can also remove the product if you mistakenly choose the product means. So I'm going to remove it and I'm going to purchase the indoor plant. So add to cart and check out. So while checkout, the user can use the coupon to use the discount for the particular plant. So I'm going to use our discount. So in that it will reduces 35 rupees. So the total amount is 664 rupees. So here I'm going to choose cash on delivery and this is my well my address are correct. So I'm confirm the order. So the three orders are pending. So that I'm going to log out and log in as admin. So this is our first module, admin module. So the admin username, admin email ID is admin@gmail.com, password is 1234. So I was successfully logging into our system. So in here admin can check the report. So this week report. So in this week the total amount is 1682 and pending order is 3. Total customer is 1. So these are all the old product details. So in here tabletop office text we have purchased 2 quantities and palm time is 1 quantity. So the RAM total order is 3 and total amount is 1682. So in here you can add the category. like add the category and manage the category. So in here admin can add the product and manage the products, and in here admin can check the add the orders and manage the orders. So in here there are 3 pending orders, so 4 pending orders. So this is our last purchase detail. So in here I am going to apply this as delivered. So once I update, I will check it. So it's successfully delivered. So in here you can add the coupon and view the existing coupons. And this is in this module you can manage the users. If you want to edit or delete the user means, in that check the customer feedback. And these are all style which we present in our home page. And this is the site which means our main UI. So in here I am going to log in as a user, like ram@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5. So after login I can check my order details, so it will deliver successful. So by that way it will working.